Hi. My name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. I make these videos on free courses, certification, off-campus recruitments, placement opportunities, how to prepare and all. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos and do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So this video is about Cognizant off-campus or on-campus recruitment process. The thing is, the selected students of 2021 batch are eligible, and not every student is eligible for this. You need to have at least 60% throughout your education, and a maximum of 2 years gap is allowed. Apart from this criteria, uh, you should be from a certain colleges, right? I will tell you what colleges are eligible uh, in the while. Now let us see the process of this. The first round is aptitude and coding. Okay, code debugging. In aptitude round, if you get cleared for this round, but if you're not got cleared this code debugging, you'll be selected for Gen C profile. If you have cleared code debugging as well, you will be selected for Gen C next level. So in Gen C next, you will be directly having round two, which is interview, technical interview. But if you get selected through code debugging for the Gen C next level, you need to solve problem solving. Will be of two sections, one and two. So your programming skills will be selected, checked here. And if you clear this round two, then you will be selected for round three interview. And here also you will be having interview with the technical knowledge on data structures and algorithms. If you have not cleared this round, you will be directly selected for Gen C round 2 interview. So this is a simple interview. And finally, if you clear round 2, you will be offered 4.5 lakhs per annum. If you have cleared round 3 of Gen C next interview, you will be offered 6.75 lakhs per annum. Before you join for that, you will be provided a 3 to 6 month internship with the Cognizant. Post internship, you will be given this 6.75 and 4 lakhs this 4.5 lakhs. During the internship, you will be given 4 lakhs compensation, that is 4 lakhs per annum salary. So now in order to register for this, you need to click this register now. You will be redirected to this page and you will see everything. You need to fill in your details. So once you fill in these details, your college name is essential, that is it is required. So you have to provide your college name. Only these colleges are eligible for this. You can check out which colleges are eligible here one by one. Okay, all the colleges names will be given, or not all colleges, some colleges like in Hyderabad and Bangalore and etc. Some colleges are here. You can select the required college. So if your college is here, you can select. If your college is not present in this, it means your college is not present in this, so you are not eligible for this recruitment drive. So that is the sad thing about this. It is not allowing all the colleges. Only few colleges are being allowed. Uh, so your college brand really matters here. So post that, you also need to provide your placement officer email ID, placement officer name, and his mobile number, etc. So once you complete this, you need to click submit. The recruitment HR will check out the details and will provide you the test link. So that is about this campus recruitment drive for Cognizant. If you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for